Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to fix the problem of the refused payment. This is an easy process to do. The first step is go to the Play Store, and here in Play Store you need to go to the superior right corner in the option of your profile. Here you need to go in the in the option of payments and subscriptions, and here you need to pick in the first option where set payment methods. So here in payment methods you got your cards, your credit or debit cards, but you need to pick here in the last option where set more options in the part of more payment settings. So here in more payment settings you need to pick here in the option of quitar. This is remove, but I translate the page for you. You pick in remove, and after that you need to create another profile of payment for put another card here in the superior left corner in the option of payment methods. You can create another profile, and that's it. You fix the problem. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.